Between 30 रुपये 60.00 lakh Tata Avinya is a SUV car. It is planned to launch in India in the 18th of March 2026. Avinya will be priced between 30 rupees 60.00 lakh in India. It competes with BYD. Sources suggest that the P1 is likely to be priced above 35 lakh rupees, making it the most expensive Tata Motors vehicle, at least until more premium models arrive. The Avinya concept showcased in 2022 previews थे पर एक मॉडल कमिंग इन 2026. Speaking of more models, थे पर 2 इन पर 3 हैवे ये तो क्लियर थे बिजनेस केस. बीट तो 3, महिंद्रा सेव 9, हुंडई क्रेटा Gajaswar and Mahindra B6 अरे सौगत तो बे थे major rivals to Tata Avinya. It's expected to use JLR SEMA platform and have at least 500 kilometers of range. Of course, it will offer both RWD and AWD. This is expected to be an F only, but given everyone's approach to India, Tata Avinya is a 5-seater, concept electric SUV designed by Indian automaker Tata Passenger Electric Mobility Limited, TPEML. It was unveiled on the 29th of April 2022 in Mumbai. The Avinya is now all-electric Mapav Thatwas Shok said the 2023 Auto Expo. IT will be built Tata, Sagain 3 architecture and will have a range of 500 km. The Avinya will have a features likhe butterfly doors, sunroof instead of mirror stocks, and aroma diffusers. IT will also have a new digital device experience, high energy density batteries, and faster charging. The Avinya will be premium all-electric vehicle तहत will compete with the Mahindra B6, Mahindra Sev 9, and Hyundai Creta Electric with target ground clearance of 205 mm and a wheelbase of 2900 mm. The Avinya is designated to handle Indian road conditions effectively. The first production model, expected in late 2025, will be a Harrier-sized SUV, marking the beginning of a new era in electric mobility for Tata Motors. The Tata Avinya crossover is expected to get the battery pack options with an estimated range of around 500 km. Rivals, in today, some market. The Avinya would be an alternative to the likes of the Tata Nexon and the Gajaswar. Range, Avinya can go pato 500 km, charge after full charge. Tata Avinya electric or petrol. About Tata Avinya, Tata Motors valued the Avinya na all-electric concept vehicle in April 2022. Tata Avinya is a SUV which is expected to launch in India in 18 March 2026 in the expected price range of Rs. 30.00 60.00 lakh. IT is available in 2 variants with a transmission option, automatic. The Avinya is available in 3 cores. Tata, a Chinese brand, the Tata Group, TT, is an Indian group of companies headquartered in Mumbai who made engine for Tata, one of the major flagship product of the company. Choti E. Tata Prima trucks have their engines from Tata Cummins.